Ik ben Noah. Ik wil mijn haar weer één kleur. De onderkant is helemaal licht geworden en even bijgeknipt.
Noah wants the split ends off and she wants natural color, near to a natural color. So her color will be in one line. Wil je alsjeblieft een rondje draaien? We turn around so that you can see her. Thank you very much. Hello friends on YouTube. Gonna do her hair. She holds herself. I pin it away. Pin it away with my chopsticks. Noah has for a long time been a staff member of mine. Now, go on with her life. We'll still be friends, always. So I do her hair with the hot scissor, TC1 haircut. Just taking off the dry ends, and then I find the color near to her own color. So she will be wonderful aligning in. Free the hairs. So now I start by wetting the hair and then warming up my scissor. Start. I'll turn it a bit so you can see what I'm going to do. You see a lot of different lengths in it. The ends are sticking out and she wants a stable line to work with. So I first find me the center of her skull. Yeah. And a normal hairstyle is a curly hairstyle. She styles it a lot. I put my TC1 haircut on 140 degrees Celsius. Make sure her head lays in line. Take off the dry end. When I do a haircut with a TC1 haircut, her hair will certainly be closed for more than 4 months, up to 6 months. So all the moist stays in the ends of the hair. On the line of cutting, I take every time a part of left and right. Take it on the line so I can see what the cutting line is. Then also watch it, the natural shapes, because her hair has a shape. And again take off the dry end. Now to the right side. Again, wear it. Find me the line of cutting in the center. Watch at the natural shapes. Take off the dry ends. And so do all her hair. Now I did all the length, so now I bend her head a bit to the front. Comb the underlines, and then the parts that stick out I take away. So I'm certain that all the hair is on the same length. It's mostly not much, but when you forget this line, it's always a disturbing line. So now I can go to the front. Take off a little bit of that because she wants to grow it into the line that she has now. And she has also a bang or a fringe. On the length here, I just slip slowly through the hair. This hair is a lot younger than that what laying on the back. So I just take off the dry ends. And this scissor doesn't damage the hair at all. And of course I do this on both sides. Ja, dat is wel leuk.
Het was wel leuk, maar ik was op een gegeven moment wel echt uitgekeken. Ik was er echt klaar mee.
Watch how the hair falls at the front. Take her right side over to the left side and the left side over to the right side, so I'm certain that they get a nice blending. And now the fringe she wants to grow also back, but still she also loves it a bit, so there's a relation two-sided. But I will certainly make it that way that it falls nicely into the hair. So this I do with a hot razor. Wet hair again. Take my hot knife of Ergo. Watch what they all get into this fringe, how far the lines go. I take the right side over to the left side. Watch at the natural shapes of the chin line. And go gently into at the center. I decide the length. Then I switch back. And the nice thing about the hot razor is that it don't irritate the skin at all, because the ends are also sealed, so you never get a nasty feeling on your face line. And the nice thing is also that you don't feel pulling the hair, because it never pulls the hair. It's very gently cutting.
Ja, ik weet ook niet waar dat vandaan komt.
I have to correct the line a bit because the other hairdresser did this fringe and it is not totally in line with the lines. I've got my nice fringe, and when I lay it over the hair, you don't see it at all.
Oh, fine.
Now I know she lost the front a bit playable. Not too much, but a little bit. So I will also do a little bit of the front with a hot knife. Therefore, shoot it from the side. I take half into the fringe line, a line on the ear. Take only this part, that's enough. This part I pull on the line of cutting, and then gently go down. Not taking off much, just a little bit. So I get a nice flowing soft line. And this I do on both sides, of course. Half into the line, on the ear. Take the hairs up so I can see the line of cutting, and then gently in and slowly go to the other lines. So now I know that the face line is also, all the hair is cut with a hot scissor and a hot tool, so now she has a lovely soft frame on the front. So now I can make a collar. Mag hier all over my niks. Okay, made the collar, made a 4-0. I make it on 3%, that's 10 volume. Start in the neckline, applying the collar. And what I did is, in the dry ends, in the underline, I put a black system pure on, so I get more condition into the length.
Dirty Angel. Heb je die nog steeds?
Ja, zeker. Also into the collar is a black system. So I will nurse the hair total treatment of coloring. And what you will see is when I rinse out the water and the color out of her hair, that the curly hairstyle will be seen, and she has wonderful curls normally. But when they are as dry as they are, then it's hard to wear them because they get stuck. Especially on the ends, massage it deep in, so you know that all the color can get into there. And so we'll do her whole hair. Now I've got all the color on her hair. We don't put heat on it. Just close my plastic foil and then wait 35 minutes. And then rinse it out, and then you can see the end result. So don't go too far away from your PC.
Dit zag wel zo leuk uit.
Ja. Ik vind het ook altijd mooi. Blijf het nog mooi vinden. So we'll be back. Okay, back from coloring. Rinse it out after 35 minutes. It's still a bit wet, so take a towel. What I'm going to use is a straight product of Keulen. You can also dry your hair with a straight product, even when you have curly hair, and then leave the curls the way they are. The nice thing about the curly product is that it makes the hair a lot smoother. Brush this product through the hair. Do this with a tangler teaser. Part hair again over the center line, start the neckline, blow dry with a large brush. Blow dry I use is from Alcina Cosmetics. Zie je het verschil al? Coming on Fringe. Now to hold the hairs in this wonderful condition it has now, because they don't go in with the iron, don't like it at all. I use polish spray of Keunen, and it's a soft wax, but it's also a very nice product to protect the hairs. Gives a wonderful feminine smell. It's ultra sexy.
Het ruikt wel echt lekker.
Yeah. This is Noah's hair cut and new color. Hope you like it. Hope you stay watching my videos. I free your hair so you can see how it looks without cape.
Oh, zo fijn.
Lekker hè?
Ja. Oh, ik voelde het echt heel fijn.
Ja. Zacht.
Ja, zacht en die uiteindes.
Noah, will you show the people also your hair on the back? And then wave a bit with it so you can see how wonderful the condition is now. Still wonderful thick hair. And all in the same color, that's also wonderful. Thank you for being my model.
Ja, graag gedaan.
Okay, thank you very much.
I am sweet, I am kind if you treat me right. But on the other hand, I can be moody, I can be unkind if you cross my line. I can be bitchy, I can be stubborn when it comes to being right, yeah. But I won't let it escalate.